Hello viewers. Now I will take combined standard deviation and question is given two samples of size 100 and 150. So the size है n1 and n2 है. Having means 50 and 60, mean 1 and mean 2 है. And standard deviations 5 and 6, standard deviation 1 and standard deviation 2 है. So find mean and standard deviation of combined sample size 250. Combined sample size means जो size है दोनों का total करेंगे तो 250 बनेगा. So बच्चों हमें पहले combined mean का फार्मूला करेक्ट आना चाहिए. हमने n1 n2 what is given mean 1 mean 2 standard deviation 1 and standard deviation 2. Whatever is given it is written over here. Before that we should know the formula. Combined standard deviation n1 standard deviation 1 whole square plus n2 standard deviation 2 whole square, n1 deviation 1 whole square, n2 deviation 2 whole square over n1 plus n2 that square root. So हमें d1 d2 चाहिए. Rest is everything we have. So d1 ढूंढने के लिए हमारे पास फार्मूला है mean 1 minus combined mean. So now question arises that we have to find combined mean. Combined mean हमारा कितना है? Then only then we can solve the question. So first step to find the combined mean. Now what is given to us? हमें क्या क्या given है? ये हमने बड़े ध्यान से देखना है. हमें क्या given है? n1 n2 n1 is 100 and mean 1 is 50 plus n2 is 150 and mean 2 is 60 over 100 plus 150. जब हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे 5000 plus 9000 over 250 14,000 over 250. हम कैंसिलेशन करेंगे तो हमारे पास combined mean is 56. So now students, first of all we have to find deviation 1 and deviation 2. Deviation 1 mean 1 is 50 and combined mean is 56, so minus 6. Then deviation 2 mean 2 is 60, combined mean is 56, so it is 4. Now we have to put these values over here carefully. N1 is 100 into standard deviation 1 whole square 5 whole square plus n2 is 150 standard deviation 2 whole square, keep it within the bracket, plus n1 is 100 and deviation 1 is minus 6 whole square plus n2 is 150 d2 is deviation 2 is 4 whole square. अगर बच्चों अगर आप ये लाइन अच्छे से लिखते हो तो आपकी मिस्टेक होने के चांसेस बहुत कम रह जाते हैं. n1 plus n2. Now do calculation. 100 pi 5 are 25, so it is 2500. 6 are 36. So it is 4800. Then 6 are 36 into 100. 3600. 4 4s are 16. नाउ अब हम इसका एडिशन करेंगे, कोई हमें प्रॉब्लम ना हो। 4 6 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 5 19, 1 3 3 6 6 plus 11, 11 plus 2 13 over 250। सो आपने बड़े ध्यान से ये मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करनी है जिससे कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो। Do cancellation and we can also do the calculation. It is equal to 278 over 5. Now divide it. Now taking square root, 55.6 taking square root is a 7.46 and your combined mean is a 7.46। रफ वर्क आप जरूर करो। सपोज 55.6 का आपने स्क्वायर रूट लेना है तो पहले मेक पेयर 7 7 are 49, 7 plus 7 14, and then you have to multiply in such a way so that it should not exceed 660. Now carry down next pair, 74 plus 74 148. So now multiply in such a way so that it will come around this. So this is your answer. This is the combined mean. Be careful whenever you are doing. First write the formula, then see what is given. Sometimes something is missing. Maybe कभी आपको standard deviation हो सकता है, combined दिया हो, बीच में से कुछ missing हो. So you can fill and use the method and get the